Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Salesforce to VS Code. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to make sure that you have VS Code in your computer. So here, I'm just going to search for my Visual Studio Code and I'm already having it. After that, we will need just to have the command line of Salesforce. So basically, you will need just to search for Salesforce command line or SFDC. So here you can see the URL for it. So it's developer.salesforce.com. And after that, you will need just to install or download Salesforce CLI. I'm going to download it for Windows 64. And now let's cancel the first one and we go for the second one. So here I'm going to download this one. I'm going to click on download and I will have my uh, CLI of Salesforce. After that, go and install the extension pack for Salesforce in your Visual Code. So here we will find extensions, search for Salesforce extension pack and we can find it here. And basically the extension pack will include all the Salesforce certified uh, extensions, and basically we will need just to wait for it to install while the CLI is downloading, and then we will install it and we will need to make sure that it's integrated with environment variables. So basically after that, while we are waiting for it to finish, we will need just to go to this window here, and basically we will need just to start creating our projects. And simply you will need just to search for integration, and you will be able to start creating your projects using Salesforce. So now after having it our uh, Salesforce CLI. We are just going to download it, install it, and we will have it in our system. So let's just click on yes and add, make sure to set the Salesforce to variables to the Salesforce variables, and I will just install yes, and we will wait for the installation to finish. And basically, we will be able to start using our Salesforce project. So as you can see here, we can just search for SFTX, and as you can see, we can be able to start creating projects. But make sure that you have installed your Salesforce CLI so you can have your commands that work correctly. So as you can see, we don't have anything, so let's just ignore and wait for it to finish, and you will be able to start connecting your Salesforce to VS Code. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.